Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here since I first started this channel, so I was like 3, 4. If I was like when I was like 3, 4, then put a red heart. If you're just now new here, then put a yellow heart. And if you've been here since I was 8 years old, put a blue heart.
Oh my goodness, Charlie, seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what?
And don't forget to remember Roblox at CharlieB0413. And I buy a whole bunch of Robux, right?
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, well you may have some birthday money, who knows?
I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of Robux. I'm gonna get all the godlies and murder mystery. Then I'm gonna go, what am I doing? Oh, and then I'm gonna go in Berry Avenue and I'm gonna buy some more stuff even though I have everything.
Okay, Charlie.
I bought it. Let's see. I think I'm missing one thing.
Or
I think I was missing the boat, but I bought the boat.
You bought the boat. How much How much did the boat cost? Oh, $6. Okay.
Yeah, that's like 100 Robux.
Okay. All right. Well, anyways, let's end your video.
But the murder mystery, all my knives is gonna cost about $30.
Are we still talking about Roblox?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Continue on.
And I'm gonna start posting, you guys, on my other account, the Cool Girl Charlie one. I'm gonna start posting on there, me playing Roblox, because like, and I'm gonna, what's it called? I forgot what I was about to say. And I'm gonna go live on that account so you guys could join me. I'm gonna turn my joins on because I'm almost at the max of 200 friends. So I'll just turn my joins on so y'all could join me. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Good. Bye.